Welcome. My name is Joanna Suresh, and I'm very happy to welcome you to the TiM 10K Challenge.
And I'm Tony Pete, I'm the CEO for Sicking, and also welcome you to the 10K Challenge. There's two elements there. First of all, the investment in students. We're an innovation company. Some of the ideas that we've seen come from our students and interns over the ideas have just been phenomenal. And then last year, of course, we introduced this program. And the ideas that came from the program as well, the utilization of some of our innovation and technology, the ideas were so diverse. This is a challenge. It's what I think everyone found last year. A challenge around project management, around teamwork and getting the right cross-functional team, and certainly putting the business side, business plan together, not just solving a technological issue, but here's a business plan as well. I think it's an exciting challenge. It's a big challenge. I think many found that once they got into it, there was more to this, and I think they actually enjoyed getting into it and created more. There's more to this, and some of the ideas changed and morphed. One of the teams had a very iterative approach, which was fantastic, because they had a fast fail. Okay, that failed, let's try something else. And then iterated and came up with a great solution in the end. This is about a network of conversations, and how do we connect students and innovation and ideas from the US with students from other countries. So one of the things that the winning team will see in this is the ability to listen to, interact, and share ideas with students from other universities and colleges around the world. One of the things that I think is unique here is the winners go to Germany, to our headquarters. And we did this last year, and I know students had fun. They got to present, their winning idea to our colleagues in Germany, to our engineers and our R&D teams and our management in Germany. And I think that's a little bit unique.
The registrations are now open, so go online and register your team. There is no problem definition. You come up with your problem definition and use the TiM, our Lidar sensor, to solve the problem. So congratulations, and we hope to see a ton of registrations.